Ripley's Believe It or Not. Ang dami nila sa likod ko. What did we do? What happened?
Kaya mo ang ano guys, kasi pong show.
Big Bong Show, oh my gosh! Yo! We went out na naman. So, yeah, time check. It's already 10:33 p.m. here in Thailand. So, we're just gonna walk somewhere here in the city center just to check out the nightlife here in Pattaya. So, let's see where this night takes us. But yeah. So, that's the Ripley's Believe It or Not. I think that's a museum of, I don't know, of assortments. But yeah, I think it has entrance fee before ka makasulod dira. So yeah. Fresh. All freshy. Namsing Bird's Nest. So this is it everyone. As you can see on my back, the walking street here at Pattaya. Oh my gosh. Let's see if I'm gonna be shocked tonight. Just like Khao San Road. But Jonah said mas war shock daw dire. Khao San 2.0 daw dire. So let's see. Nabayan niyo sila. Ano na to?
Try?
Okay lang.
Videohan ka ka. I can't hold it. Thank you. Sapo niya yata, Kev. Thank you.
100 daw.
Ayun, ha?
100 daw.
Kana di ayun. I thought 60.
I thought done is 60.
No, 60 na yata, Queen.
60? I thought, lagi, duwagan man niya.
Ay, sige. Sige na lang.
Sige na lang.
Nabudol.
Teka ni. Very sagot. Ay, sagot.
Tapos na ako ha.
Ah, sige, sige.
Nabudol ta, Kev. Budolero nga si Kuya Day. Budol ka na. Ibigyo ta ka sa phone.
Ha?
Nag-ano niya. Ibigyo ta ka sa phone.
Ang dami nila sa likod ko. Mga walkers. Wow.
Napay lalaki na again.
For sure. Napay lalaki.
Yeah. I see, I told you. Kausan 2.0.
Pero mas wide lang siya diri, no?
Dako lang.
Dako lang siya
Mas
diri.
dako po nila mga.
Kaya gani. Live show, Jo.
Napag sila dalaw bata.
Gani na yung mga bata. Saday.
Latina. Sobrang Latina. Sobrang Latina.
Ayan, no, sobrang Latina.
Ay, kailangan na rin kayo. Tawag ka na ng Kevin Street.
Gani.
3D. Urat tayo sa library na rin.
Kaya gani. Mga guys.
Sira na ka.
Wow, live show.
Kasi pila na rin.
Kaya gani. Dako lang. Kaya gani.
Basta natin hagdan na ito.
Lata, shark. Siya, kalay siya, no?
Oh, nagpindag kong kilo ke?
Kalay siya, no?
Yeah, like show. You wanna go inside?
Okay lang.
A few inches later.
This is the end of the walking street. And that's the Pattaya sign. Guys, see that? Pattaya City.
A few moments later.
Jo, how's your experience?
Okay lang. I can't explain.
What did we do?
A lot has
happened.
Try na mo ang ano guys. Kasi,
Pingpong show, oh my gosh.
I mean, entertaining man siya.
Goal achieve rajog ka.
Oo,
Accomplish.
at least na ano rin ako. At least
Hindi na ka mag-wonder kung sa mangyod.
Ganak.
Gagani, no? Ay, nako Lord.
Finally, try na June.
Yeah, I've heard a lot sa kanang mga podcast na akong ginapaminawan, pero I just thought na medyo theatrical siya ba? Tapos, dili di ay. Yeah, medyo ano
I
lang
also
siya.
thought na ano, kanang wild. Wild siya, pero gamay lang kaya ang time, no?
Oo, gamay lang.
Siguro, wala ka ba 1 minute? Mga siguro seconds lang. After
Kaya
that,
gani.
next ano na po,
Yeah,
dugay ang interval.
yeah.
So, kind of boring. Pero, ano man, entertaining somehow.
Ka nang ano.
Gaganap. Kaya na mga ano ka nang,
Siguro kay wala ko na-expect kay murag gina-visualize na nako siya. Katong nagapaminaw pa lang ko, murag nagay kabalo na ko sa may tabo ba. So, murag dili na kayo siya na sa kuha.
ayun, nasa na 11.
Sige.
Ay, mga bagay nga, dili ma-explain og logic.
Kaya gani.
Nag-unsa man to.
Kaya gani.
Dirita, napa mo siguro dito?
Napasir dito.
Yeah. Anyways, at least we tried. No?
Yeah.
All the people na ako ang nakauban, si Pao Gid ang nagkuan.
Yeah.
Pao Gid ang susikip.
So if you're going to ask how much, 500 siya.
Yeah.
With
500
free drinks daw, pero we didn't get the free drink. Basig
Yes.
makabayad me. So we just paid the entrance.
Oo.
500 baht each. So ayun, what a
Is it
weird.
something na you would recommend?
No?
No.
I don't recommend sa mga tao na wala kabalo.
Yeah.
Ma-recommend lang ako siya sa mga taong curious po para sa atoa ba na naging curious po doon
Yeah.
na nakadungugan na. Siya at least once lang ni mo.
Oo, at least once.
Once,
Pero it's not something na, ay mo balik na dito.
Kaya gani.
No?
Yeah. So, mao lang dito siya. And yeah, we also
Ang diri ka, Kev.
ha?
Ang diri ka. I-part na kadiri, no?
Naipart na kali. Nai ka ng I thought sa kanang mga inanay na nabito ka ng malibugan ka or what. Murag wala man ka wala na feel.
Wala ko na feel.
Wala ko na feel na ka ng murag
More like kung ano noon siya. Nang, ay pagka-funny.
ana. Yeah.
Oh,
So,
so, mga nakita dito, Kev.
Dili
Ang mga Latveya, makita gud siya.
kita gid siya and ang mga notch.
Latveya, notch.
Notch.
Ang kuan. Bobolism, mga
Gani,
ano.
mga ducks kayo pero
Oo.
ambot lang murag dili man natural tanaw. Wapog sa Manila man diha ta jo na dako.
Asara gid ang Latveya, guys.
Amazing
As
lang.
in, bilangkad pa sa kuan, bakukang. Ano.
Yeah. Bilangkad kaayo oy. Amazing lang tong mga katong mga
Ay.
pana balloon iyang tagaon.
Katong balon na kanang kuan, i-hold mo ba yan, tapos ka nang murag huyopon siya sa business. Panaon. Grabe siya
Naon
show,
kaya
ano?
gani, amazing.
Impressive kayo to kayo.
At sa kaya to nila.
Pwede na kita food for tomorrow. What do you think?
Pwede.
Ay, pero wala mo sa kuan. Ganang sa taga ng microwave.
Wala yung microwave,
Yeah.
no? Kasima na lang. Gani.
Dali na yung microwave.
Palit ra ko og tubig.
The next day.
Hey all, so we're here at Balihay Pier. So, Colarn Island is like a mini island going to, basta separate siya sa Thailand. So para siyang Samal sa Davao, di ba? And right now we are here at Balihay. So as you can see, so behind me is the pier. And then that's the Pattaya sign. Pumunta tayo dyan last night. And then, doon ang papasok. And then, let's go inside. So, ito yung, ano nila, parang reception hall. Parang ganon. And then, yeah, that's like the waiting. So, the buying of, tickets. So, there are two options to get to Colarn Beach. Colarn Island. So, you can get a ferry or you can ride a speedboat. So this is where you are going to buy the tickets. So this area is where you get to buy the ferry ticket. So ferry ticket usually takes 40 minutes from here to the Colarn Island, while the speedboat, it says there, 10 minutes lang daw yung travel time from here to Colarn. And then, ang price niya sa ferry ticket is 30 baht per person. And the speedboat is 300 pero round trip na siya. And then, the travel time, I think, we'll just wait. Once you secure the ticket, we just told na we're leaving in 15 minutes. And then the comeback time, you can choose between 3 p.m. and 5 p.m. We choose the latter, the 5 p.m. So, yeah. Right now it's 11:31, so I guess we're leaving by 12. I'm not too sure. But yeah, this is where we're gonna wait for our speedboat. I think we'll just wait for further instruction before we board the speedboat. All right.
Scared.
Don't be. Ayan na guys. We're going now. Yes. Smile jo. Land na kayo yung kag speedboat. First time ever.
Yeah. Matter what happened. Bye, pinita na naman dala.
Bumpy ba ya dire?
Ha?
Bumpy. Pwede ba tayo dito sa tabangan, no?
Di ba? Gaga naman.
Aga tayo!
Oh my God!
God! Oh my God!
Oh my
Lord! Oh my gosh! Basa na mi guys. I like it sobra.
Dali, pag kita talikod.
Basa na ako. Tatay. Medyo. Ito balik up, ito balik. Balik up. Balik up. Balik ka.
คุณลูกค้ารับกี่โมงครับ
No speak Thai.
ว่าและฉันรู้ว่าท่านหยุดทำแดง
Thai.
5,
5 p.m. no how many people
Two.
2.
นี่เลยที่ก็มาเที่ยววางฝันมา
What can you say?
วางฝันมาตุ้นเด็ก
Scary.
ไต้หวัน
Scary.
So scared. I was so
แล้วก็
scared.
ให้อยู่ทั้งดี
Feel like my life and death situation.
โอเค going back follow me this way yellow color
Yellow, okay.
Yellow.
Angat lang. Mota na lang to. That was quite a bumpy ride. Oh my gosh. That was a hell of a ride. But it was fun. I like it. I like adventurous thing. Charot. But yeah, Jonah was pretty shocked. Kanay sa beach. Nawang sand. Pino kaayo.
Wow.
So, pino. Gani, pino kaayo.
you 5 p.m. back you 4:30 close and 5 p.m. when you come back I see you there
100 baht.
yeah for 1 p.m.
For 100 baht.
Okay. Okay. Thank you kayo, Lord, kay nakabot ko dire. Appreciate ya. Guys, so mag-sit down vlog na lang ta sa what happened last night kasi I think it's good that we talk. So, ayun, we just stayed there for at least an hour and then nag-try pa kami maghanap ng ibang bars and then we ended up sa ping pong live show because we were very curious what that is. I've heard what ping pong show is because I've been listening kasi nakikinig ako ng mga podcast and yung mga trip na what's their shocking experience in Thailand. Usually na mention yung ping pong show. So, for our curiosity's sake, nag-go kami ni Jonah. So, ayun nga. So, we tried sa Pattaya. And, kulba kayo siya. For me, I think kulbaan pa si Jonah kasi nahadlok kami sa scam. Possible na may tabo na scam. But, although sinabi nila na the 500 aside sa entrance fee, na siya free drink, but we didn't get the drink because basig mas kami. So anak ko kay Jonah na sige, duhaman tayo so lang kay at least kung mas scam ko apil ka. So kato siya and nisulod me and then wow. Although nakadungog na kon sa mahitabo ha. So I've already visualized things but grabe good guys. There are wonders in the world na you won't expect na mahitabo to siya, especially sa female part. Basta. And also, yeah, duha siya, dili lang siya sa female na puwi katong lalaki nag-perform. And then, I'm not sure if you heard na about the ping pong show but daghag mga bagay, mga unexpected bagay na mugawas sa ilahang Latvia. And then sa mga notch imuon lagi nila sa drum, patugtog nila sa drum ilang notch and then ang isa ka tes napud toy duha kalalaki na gialsa nila ang kanang balde bitaw sa galon sa tubig na murag half full siya na tubig and then gialsa sa iyang notch. Grabe kaayo. Was I enjoyed? Yes. But was it boring? Yes, also. So it was boring but at the same time enjoy siya for the fact na mamis ka sa mga talent nila ate o kuya gamit ilahang body parts. And then maboard ka because na mga dull moment every after show. Taas kayo ang break ba in between each show. Because at that time mag-ask sila og tip from audience. And I also thought na medyo theatrical ang ilang performance, but it wasn't. It was lackluster siguro. They just stand there and then do their thing and then done. Just ask for money. Then siya, para siya continuous siya. So it's unlimited show siya till you drop. Till you drop. But yeah. Yeah, and then after that, we went back to the hotel. And nag 7-Eleven me, and then we went back to the hotel. I think that's it lang naman. And then we had a breakfast lang din sa hotel this morning. And then ayun, dito na kami sa Klarn Island. Gosh guys, first time na ko nailob-lob ning BGI Action for Good Luck na ako'y casing. So hopefully ma-okay ran eh. Well, the Action 4 itself, the unit itself is waterproof, pero we'll see. Good thing kadili kayo init dire. So that's amazing. Nagsaba ha pero nangihi ko. Yung pahunas na niya siya. Actually mara gini akong habol dire sa Klarn. I'm a lake dagat. So the dagat itself is okay. The sand is very good. It reminds me of Boracay. But the water much clearer gyud sa Boracay compared dire. Dire, I don't know, mura siya greenish, pero sa Boracay, bluish ba ang Boracay? So I would say mas superior gihapon ang Boracay compared dire sa Tawain Beach sa Klarn. So yeah. So yung mapata. Guys, sige, ready? 1, 3.